The basics of roofing replacement. Of all major home repairs, installing new roofing is arguably as important as it gets. Though a new roof isn't all that glamorous, you'll understand its importance in a big way should an old roof fail, allowing water to destroy the inside of your home, from the attic insulation, down through the painstakingly remodeled kitchen, right on through to the basement family room with big screen TV. Fewer home problems can be more disastrous than a failed roof. Roof replacement is not something to take lightly, nor is it a repair that should be delayed. When you sense that your roof is nearing the end of its useful life, brush up on these basics before soliciting bids from roofing contractors. The basic roofing materials. Your choice of roofing materials often depends on your locality, as much as on your own personal taste. In some regions, for example, metal roofing is a common selection due to its fire resistance, while in other regions, the predominant home styles might call for a Spanish-influenced tile tool. Roof pitch, angle, also affects the kind of roofing materials you can use. For example, wood shake shingles can be used for steeper pitched roofs but are not suitable for flatter, low-pitched roofs. Visit site https://termco.co.za or call 0732708270.